Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.
Welcome to Dogs on Ice. These dogs are in the ice skating show. They love to do different tricks. A trick is a cool move that the dogs have learned how to do. First, watch and see what tricks these dogs can do. Then, listen for the words as you play. Over. Around. Far. Are you ready to help the dogs create their routine? A routine is a bunch of tricks put together that they'll perform in the show. Look for the dog that goes over the pole. Over means up above the pole. Click the Go button to make the dogs do their tricks. So which dog went over the pole? You got it! Pops went over the pole. Great trick, Pops. Look for the dog that goes around the hoop. Around means you go along the side, almost in a circle. Click the Go button to make the dogs do their tricks. So which dog went around the hoop? You got it! Carlo went around the hoop. Great job, Carlo! Look for the dog that skates far away to get the steak. Far means there's a long way between here and there. Click the Go button to make the dogs do their tricks. Which dog skated far away? Yeah! Pop skated far away from us. Way to go, Pop! We've got 3 awesome tricks, and now we're ready to put them together in a routine. A routine is a set of tricks put together for a show. Let's watch the routine. Over. Around. Far. The dogs performed an amazing routine full of fabulous tricks. What a stupendous show!
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.